Welcome to Jeevan Chakra by Sushmita B, your ultimate destination for holistic healing and spiritual growth. From powerful Vastu energy healing products to spiritual tools like Crystal Mandir, Paras Shivling, crystal trees for enhancing wealth, relationships, and personal growth, we have got it all. Discover our specially crafted combo bracelets, your perfect ally for wealth, protection from negative energies, and emotional balance. Support your health with natural solutions for your weight loss, thyroid, blood sugar, BP, and more. Manifest your desire with our powerful manifestation journal, that is Hanuman Mantra Manifestation Journal, and help your child lead a disciplined, successful life with our Ram Naam Ki Pathshala with lots of freebies. Browse and order today for a journey of transformation. Click the link below to visit our website and unlock your true potential. Jeevan Chakra, healing, manifesting, transforming.